Hey everyone! Dreaming of becoming a game developer but not sure where to start? Scene 2, roadmap announcement today. I'm breaking down the ultimate roadmap to help you go from zero to hero. Let's go! First, learn the basics of programming. Pick a language like C++ or C#. Master variables, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. It might sound tough now, but you'll get there. Next, understand computer science fundamentals. This is the backbone of game development. Learn about computer graphics, which will help you create stunning visuals for your game. Dive into memory management to ensure your game runs smoothly without crashes or slowdowns. Explore game physics to make your game world feel realistic and engaging. A little networking knowledge can also be beneficial, especially if you plan to include multiplayer features in your game. You don't need to be a genius, just grasp the essentials. Take notes, study diligently, and practice coding regularly. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Now, pick a game engine. This is a crucial step. The game engine you choose will determine the tools and resources available to you. Choose between Unity, perfect for beginners, and indie games. Unity is user-friendly and has a large community, which means plenty of tutorials and support. Or Unreal Engine, for high-end, realistic 3D games. Unreal Engine is known for its powerful graphics capabilities and is used by many professional game developers. Start with Unity if you're just starting out. It's easier to learn and will help you get your first game up and running quickly. Once you're comfortable, you can explore other engines like Unreal for more advanced projects. After that, master your game engine. Build simple projects. Move characters, add physics, create menus. Start small with games like Flappy Bird or an Endless Runner. Now it's time to understand game design. It's not just about coding, it's about making games fun. Learn level design, storytelling, and player psychology. Next up, learn a little art. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, understanding the fundamentals of art can significantly enhance your game development skills. You don't have to be an artist, just understand the basics of two-dimensional or three-dimensional assets. This knowledge will help you communicate better with your art team and make more informed decisions about your game's visual style. Use tools like Photoshop for sprites or Blender for models. These tools are industry standards, and mastering them can open up a world of creative possibilities. Or collaborate with artists. Working with a team can bring fresh perspectives and ideas to your project. Now, work on bigger projects. As you gain confidence, start tackling more complex tasks. This could involve creating detailed character models, intricate environments, or even entire game levels. Join game jams. Create small games in just 48 hours. These events are fantastic opportunities to push your limits and see what you can achieve under time constraints. You'll learn faster, meet new people, and boost your skills. Game jams are also great for networking, finding potential collaborators, and getting feedback on your work. So dive in and start creating. Then, build your portfolio. Upload your games to itch.io, a popular platform for indie game developers. Itch.io allows you to showcase your creativity and reach a wide audience of gamers and potential employers. Maybe even Steam, which is one of the largest digital distribution platforms for PC gaming. By uploading your games to Steam, you can gain significant exposure and even start earning revenue from your creations. Show gameplay videos to demonstrate the mechanics and excitement of your game. Include screenshots that highlight the visual appeal and design. Don't forget to add code samples to showcase your technical skills and problem-solving abilities. Make it easy for people to see what you can do. Finally, start your career by applying for entry-level jobs in the gaming industry. Look for opportunities at indie studios where you can gain valuable experience and grow your network. Consider freelancing to build a diverse portfolio and work on a variety of projects. Or take the plunge and launch your own games. You're not just dreaming, you're doing. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion for game development into a successful career. Remember, you don't need a fancy degree to become a game developer. You need passion, patience, and practice. So, grab your laptop, start building, and make the next big hit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career guides. See ya!